This brand is made in Mexico and is available in the USA and Canada through their authorized dealer network. The Comfort 1424 SCA4 air conditioners are basic units with a 16 SEER efficiency. They have a durable powder coat finish but only a wire coil guard, which is not very effective at protecting the fins of the condensing unit from mechanical damage. They have scroll compressors and factory-installed filter dryers for system durability, but the units are relatively loud during operation. The Performance 1724 TPA7 models are premium units with a 17 SEER rating and louvered metal panels to protect the condenser coil. In the ultimate category, the Infinity 2624 VNA6 units have an efficiency rating of up to 24 SEER and are so quiet that they blend into the background. The units feature their GreenSpeed intelligence technology that allows the system to operate longer at lower capacities, which improves energy efficiency and quiet operation while providing tighter temperature control than standard systems. The guarantee on the units is good, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any unit, is not as good as other brands.